Hey guys, welcome back today. So this is a really exciting video in my opinion. So this is probably one of my biggest hauls yet so far. Some of the pieces that I really wanted. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't even opened the box. Just came in today. Let's open it and see what we have inside. I hate opening boxes sometimes because companies are just getting better and better at sealing these things. I mean, I get it why, but it's just so difficult to open. But, you know, you're just excited and you just want to see what's inside, you know? And I know I should probably use a knife or a scissor, but I'm lazy. Okay, so tons of, hope they don't just all fall. Ooh, you see that? So you have a medium-sized box, we got a small box, we have this one right here, and we have a really big box in the back. So I'm gonna first start off with, should I do smallest to largest? Okay, let's do that. I just lost the box. So here's the first piece. Okay, so it comes in this. Okay, oh my god, look. So it is the keychain. Let me stand up for you guys so you can see. With this tag. And the back is Vachetta. So as you know, it's gonna patina over time. Same as this little tag right here. As you can tell, this is Louis Vuitton. And it's gold hardware. It's a really nice touch. Kind of looks like brass, but has this like antique look to it. I love it. So it's made in France. I just love this ice cream drip. Look at that. As you know, I do collect keychains, so this is going to be added to the collection. Second piece. Okay, so this one looks like a medium. Here's what I have inside. Okay, there's some tissue paper in there. Okay, and as you can tell, oh my god, you ready? It's the Nigo duck figurine. So it's really not that big. Like, I don't really have big hands, but it fits in the palm of my hand. It's smaller than iPhone, so it's less than 5.5 inches. It's like a paperweight, or maybe just be a figurine. Oh, it's a Canard figurine Nigo. Okay, so I actually didn't know that this brown monogram canvas at the bottom of it, but this looks pretty good. Honestly, I thought it would be bigger. This was a little under $1,400. It's hard and solid, but I do feel like if you drop this on his head, it's gonna break. Open the big box first, because there's actually something else. But here's the big box, as you can tell, it's really big. Okay. Okay, can you guys guess what it is? Okay, so it is the Projet Jour. This is almost like a, actually fits my MacBook Air perfectly. So you can put an iPad in here, you put it could be like a laptop sleeve, it could be a document holder. Let's see. So this has black hardware. There's a little fold right here, and also it's canvas. It has this signature bear right here. So I know the bear and the duck were two of the animals that were prominent in the Nigo and LV collection. Yeah, this is a pretty big and solid bag. There is an inside pocket to this as well. Okay, so let me put that away. Okay, you guys ready for the last and final piece? You guys ready? Okay, can you guys guess what this one is by the shape? Can you hear it? Yes, you guessed it. It is the mini trunk. Mini soft trunk. Do you guys see this? Okay, I can't even put the strap on because this is how new it is. Plastic wrappers on the corners. Okay, but as you can tell, it has a black chain. Signature ice cream drip. Looks so nice. Pocket. Here's the back of the bag. I know I should take off the plastics, but I'm not gonna right now because I don't know when I'm gonna use it, so I don't want to. Here's the bottom of the bag. Vachetta strap. Here's the Okay, it's the inside of the bag. The inside tag is vachetta as well, as you can see right here. This bag was $3,650 before tax, USD obviously. I think it's a little expensive for a bag this size. However, I'm starting to really get into trunks and really collecting them. It's absolutely gorgeous. This Nigo collection, at first when I saw it, I honestly hated it. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, these pieces I pre-ordered during the first wave. I wasn't able to get anything else but these things. So it was the notebook, and the pocket organizer. I'll probably do more videos on these, but I hope you enjoyed this haul. The next line I'm going to really do is the cloud collection. I'm going to post it as soon as possible. So keep posted. Make sure you subscribe, like my videos, and comment down below. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.